What's up guys, JakeB5 here. So in this quick install video, we're going to be installing these 710N diverter valves. They are, one of them's OEM, one of them's the off-brand Kaiser. I believe they should be fine. I found these laying around, so I'm like, hey, why not install it? So let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is remove this cover right here. So you're just going to turn these a little bit and then they will pop off. I think it's like a quarter turn and they pop off. Yeah. Then so remove that. It will be stuck there a little bit. Remove that, set that off to the side. So now that the cover's off, these are your diverter valves right here. So these are stock. The difference between these, so these stock ones are called 710Bs, which is the part number. And these are 710Ns. So basically these, I believe, are off of an Audi TT, and they're a little bit stronger than stock, and they're a lot cheaper than the billet aluminum versions. So these will do for a little bit, and then you should probably replace them with billet aluminum. So to get started, it's basically just four hose clamps, and that's about it. So let me grab a nut driver. So you just have these two hose clamps right here. So you're gonna undo this one. Just undo it enough so you can slide it back. And then this one is going to be a little bit annoying. So we're gonna slide these out of there, and then slide it up. There you go. So these aren't inherently bad, but since I'm now stage 1, I'm just gonna replace them. So now there's this little like single-use thing right there. So I found the best way to deal with those is to just cut them off and put in a hose clamp. So let's see if I can get this off. So usually you can take a set of dikes and kind of just pry it apart. It is annoying. Or you can take a kind of thin flathead. Basically just stick it in there. There we go, we're almost off. There you go. That's it, one off. Now to just do the other side. There you go. So now you get the two off, and I'm gonna take a minute and clean up everything around here because I got the cover off, so why not? All right, so to install, same thing as removal. This vacuum line does have a tear, so I have some extra vacuum line. I think I'm just gonna replace both of them since they are pretty old. So I'm just gonna slide this off. So I bent that because I'm stupid, but it should be fine for now. I have these two hoses, so I don't have the correct size hose clamp right now for these. So all you would do is just stick a hose clamp on it. I'm not gonna be driving the car until I get the right size. I'm just gonna go pick them up. But you're gonna grab the valve, the diverter, plug it into there, then plug it into the bottom. There you go. And then just plug the top vacuum line in. And then that side is done. So slide might have to loosen that one a little bit. So just loosen this so that you can slide it back on. There you go. Then tighten that puppy up. And then tighten the bottom one. So I messed up. I bent this right here, but it should be fine. So just be very careful when you're cutting. Just be very careful with everything in general. But so tighten this. Make sure they're snug because this does. You don't want this popping off since it does get boost. There we go. So those are good. Then take other one. Repeat same process for this side. Slide that guy in there, and then slide in the bottom. There we go. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that. But so it's that one right there that I just had to rotate this way. And then you should be able to tighten these up. nice and snug. All right, so I ran out of memory on the card, but so I finished it. So basically just make sure that everything's cinched down. Also check the status of your boot, of your throttle body boot, because that will rip eventually, but everything looks good. So just make sure that everything's tight. I'm gonna wait to drive this to get these clamps on. I know I messed up on this and this shouldn't be bent, but that's my fault. So just don't do what I did. So yeah, good to go. Obviously the last step is you can leave this cover off if you want to. I'm gonna put it back on, but so you just spin those and you are done. So that's about it. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a like, and if you could subscribe, that would be awesome. Definitely more videos like this coming out, and I'm not gonna do stupid mistakes like that, but hey, that's how you learn. So that's all I got for you. Give it a like, subscribe, that would be fantastic, and feel free to flame me in the comments for how stupid I am. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.